If you want to score a couple awesome deals on tools this holiday season, either for yourself or for the CNC woodworker in your life, then this video is for you. I actually use a lot of these tools myself, so if you're interested in picking any of them up, I will have links in the description below for you to check out for yourself. I've organized this list of tools from 10 to 1, where 1 is my absolute favorite deal. One thing to note is that I've done my absolute best to comb through all of the available information, start dates, end dates for these sales, but there might be some differences that you see. Amazon's Black Friday sale, it's a 48-hour sale that starts on Thursday at 12:01 a.m. and goes through Black Friday. That ad is not available at the time of making this video. To combat that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a pinned comment. That comment is going to appear in the bottom of this video, and it's gonna be pinned at the top, so you'll easily be able to find that. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to comb through Amazon's actual sales on Thursday and Friday, and I'm gonna be posting links in there to my favorite tool deals, so you can still have access to them. So if you're watching this video on Thanksgiving Day or on Black Friday, head to the comment section and look for those links. All right, so let's jump right in and get started with number 10. Number 10 is this deal from Rockler on all of their IsoTunes ear protection. I love my Bluetooth IsoTunes hearing protection in the shop. When the CNC's running, that is the number one thing that I grab. Either I'll have music playing in them or I'll be listening to a podcast, especially on those long CNC carves where there's a lot of downtime and I just need to be there just in case something happens. So Rockler has a few different styles to pick from, but I really love my IsoTune Link, over the ear, ear protection, and Bluetooth. All right, number 9 on the list is this DeWalt Planer for $599 at Home Depot. As a CNC woodworker, this is the only planer that you'll ever need in your shop. Sure, you can use your CNC to flatten your stock on one side, flip it over, and flatten the other, but there is something about having a planer that you can run really quickly through. You don't have to set up tool paths. You don't have to worry about work holding, especially on an uneven piece. So this is the exact planer that I have myself. And a couple things that I like about it is the dust collection. Dust collection is actually really good on this one. And then the other thing is you can upgrade the cutter head to a helical head. Number 8 is Cuban Sandpaper from Amazon. Currently, Amazon has all their Cuban sandpaper for 30% off. I started using this sandpaper about a year ago now when I saw Jonathan Katz-Moses do a comparison video of a bunch of different sandpapers. In his test, this sandpaper performed really, really well. So I picked some up for myself and experienced the same thing. I love this stuff. Amazon has all grits on sale right now, and it's a great time to pick up a pack and try it out for yourself. Number 7 on the list is this California Air Tools air compressor for 20% off currently on Amazon. One of the more recent tools that I added to my shop was an air compressor. Now, I know that might sound crazy, but I went in my shop for like 4 years without an air compressor at all. And I recently discovered how versatile and other than air tools and things like that, but how versatile just having compressed air in the shop is. I don't have this specific compressor, but I wish I did, because this brand is known for having the quietest air compressors on the market. All right, number 6 on this list is these Pony Jurgensen, I don't know how you say that, but these Pony clamps are great woodworking clamps, and they're currently all on sale at Lowe's. So some of my favorite are these 36-inch clamps for gluing up panels on the CNC. Now, I have a range of different brands of clamps. I'm not particular to any brand, but you can never have enough clamps, right? So this is a great time to add a certain clamp that you don't have in your collection and build out your clamping abilities. So let's throw in a bonus deal right here that I came across after the Pony deal at Lowe's, and it's these Bessie clamps at Rockler. Currently, they have this set of 4 clamps, 2 24-inch clamps, and 2 50-inch clamps. And then they also include extenders, so you can even get greater capacity. They had this deal for $150 off. So that makes this set $180, which is a fantastic deal. This video is sponsored by PCBWay. Offering instant quotes, quick turnaround, and fast shipping, PCBWay is a great resource to have for your next project. My personal favorite are the CNC services that they offer. Now, you might be saying, Andy, you have a CNC, why would you need to use their services? Well, if I need a rapid prototype and I don't have the time for it, or I don't have the capability with a 4th axis or a 5th axis, but I have a product or a project in mind, I can reach out to them and load all my files into the website and get that prototype. So if you would like to incorporate electronics into your next project, or you need a rapid prototype yourself, look no further than PCBWay. On to the second half of this list, the top 5 tool deals that I found combing through all these different ads. Let's get started. Number 5. Number 5 is this DeWalt impact driver for $99 at Home Depot. Now, there are a lot of cordless tool deals out there, but I don't think there's any greater than this one single deal. There's some great kit deals, but for one tool, $99, comes with a charger and a 20-volt battery. This is a fantastic deal. I've been using this exact drill now for 4 years, and about the last 2 years, it's been dedicated to the CNC work area. And this is what I use to screw in all of my screws to hold my stock to my work bed. This kit is normally $179, so it is currently $80 off. Fantastic deal. Number 4 is this 16-gallon rigid shop vac. You can get this shop vac at Home Depot for 70 bucks, which is a current $50 savings. So this is probably the top thing I would have done differently when I was getting into CNC, and that would be set up a dust collection sooner. I kind of overlooked it and just let the dust fly, and it made an absolute mess. So getting a dust collector for 70 bucks, and then you can pick up a dust boot that fits your particular spindle, and boom, you have dust collection for, let's say, just over 100 bucks. And I think that's a great solution. It's something I wish I would have done right away when I got my Shapeoko first up and running. All right, so we made it to the top 3. Number 3 on this list are X-Tool lasers. Now, X-Tool has a site-wide sale going on right now where they're offering their deepest discounts of the entire year. If you don't have a laser of some sort in your woodworking shop, in your CNC shop, I think you're really missing something of value. And that is because a laser, you can customize things, you can engrave on things, and X-Tool lasers have a very good reputation. They're a very popular brand. So this sale is a great way to get into lasers and to experiment, get something in your shop that you can experiment with before you invest, you know, a ton of money into something that's bigger, a bigger laser, anything like that. You can figure it out and see if you like it and see if there is value there, which I firmly believe there is. There is for my shop, that's for sure. So specifically, I would recommend the D1 Pro 20 watt. So you can currently save $425 on this D1 Pro 20 watt, which is a fantastic deal. It's like 33% off or something like that. So definitely worth looking at this deal. Number 2 on this list is another site-wide sale of one of my favorites, which is Carbide 3D, makers of the Shapeoko. They've got a range of deals going on, including 15% off everything in their store except machines and Amana cutters. They've also got some bundle deals. So if you're looking to get into CNC, into desktop CNC, this is a great time to do it. They've got the Shapeoko Pro and the Shapeoko 4 in a bundle with different accessories. So it's definitely something to check out. And if you've been waiting, this may be the time to jump in and get started. All right, tool number 1 on this list. You're gonna laugh at me, but it is an extremely valuable tool that I picked up last year at this time of year. It was on sale. And it is my Rollo thermal label printer. Now you may be saying, Andy, that's not a tool. If you own a business, if you sell online or on Etsy and you're shipping out a lot of orders like we have, a thermal printer like this Rollo printer is money. It is worth every penny that you spend on it. It's almost instant. So if you use like Shippo or Pirate Ship or something like that, you can import all of your, or ShipStation, you can import all of your contact information from your website or from Etsy, and it will print all of these shipping labels out basically instantly. And it is an absolute game changer. It makes the shipping process so much more seamless and fast. So it's really worth checking out. It's currently $199 on Amazon, which is $100 off, 33% savings. So this is the time of year to pick one of these up. So be sure to check it out. Like I mentioned earlier, be sure to check out the comment section for other Amazon tool deals. They have a 48-hour sale on Thanksgiving and Black Friday. If you want even more tools to look at, I made this video right here that you will like. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in that video. Thanks. Bye.